Well, he had it out that whole time. 'Cause I kind of passed in front of him, and he was kind of videoing everyone going by. And then when we all dropped in, he dropped in a little uphill from us, and he busted his ass right there. I'm surprised he held on to it there.
Right here.
What happened on that last run?
I don't know.
Who was it? It was in the front that wrecked. Was it you or was it Julio?
It was Julio.
When we all kind of got in a big bottleneck there.
Yeah.
I never did do this. This looks like that could have been. I had potential right in there.
I don't think you've got any of my falls, any of my good falls. I haven't had a good fall with you yet.
You need to make sure you do it when you're right in front of the camera. I ran behind you for a while.
You should have gotten mine earlier.
Oh my gosh. Right at the end, you know how we go down? Nick kind of stopped up on the hill, and Vinny came down around a tree and was going down and seen Nick and like jumped over Nick. And I swear it looked like you landed on your back.
I did.
It was funny.
But I mean, that's the hard thing with when you got one camera. It's like you can only follow so many people.
Yeah.
Darn Nick.
Hmm?
I said darn Nick.
Darn Nick.
Lost your GoPro last year.
Yeah. Right over there.
Somebody picked that up and took it.
I'm sure.
Dropped off the lift. Or it was going down here.
No, he went down here, just right off the lift, this real steep part here.
Yeah.
And he said he went head first in like 3 foot of powder.
And it came off his helmet.
It came off the helmet. And he said he knew that they lost it, but he was digging where he fell and never found it. Kind of like what Peyton's like, once something goes underneath the snow, unless it's pretty shallow, it's hard to find.
Yeah.
Because you could be 6 inches away from it and never know it. I gotta pee. I've had to pee for like the past 5 runs, but I don't want to stop. Yeah, but we have no idea where he dropped it.
I doubt we'll find it.
Unless you see it laying on the trail.
If somebody has found my iPhone for him, I would use it because you don't have to be right next near the person, because my dad, if I'm not answering my phone, he'll ping it. So, yeah. So if somebody has found my iPhone for you,
It's just us 6 right here, right?